Want children to have better well-being? This video walks you through how to host your own pop-up festival. Let's get started.
Step 1. Get access to Pop-Up Festival.
It's easy to register for the free activities. Go to 6seconds.org/popup and sign up. You will get an email with a link to the website to get started.
Step 2. Choose your activities.
When you get to the site, you can browse the whole library of over 70 games, crafts, and activities to help children develop skills for well-being.
Not sure where to start?
Choose from collections or just jump in with top 5 activities that kids love.
Step 3. Gather materials.
Now that you've found your favorite activities, let's gather materials. There's a section on each activity that tells you just what you'll need. All the materials for Pop-Up Festival are simple, like pens, paper, scissors, tape, or even stones or leaves from outside.
Step 4. Invite people.
Who is coming to your pop-up? If you are a teacher, hold pop-up in your classroom for students. If you are a parent, you can host an activity after dinner for your family. If you are working for a company, you could host a family day event or CSR for a local youth center. Pop-ups are flexible about how many people can participate. If you are planning a larger event, you will need to find some helpers to host with you.
Step 5. Celebrate and share.
We're all excited to see your event. Share photos and join the Pop-Up Festival community on social media channels with #EQPopUp and help us spread the word about the Pop-Up Festival.
There you have it.
In just 5 easy steps, you can help children have better well-being. In case you missed it, here's the link again to join Pop-Up Festival. If you want more information about children's well-being, emotional intelligence, and 6 seconds, check out our other videos.
Yay for pop-ups!
Thanks for watching!